Are you struggling with discipline? Here are 9 actionable steps to master self-discipline and achieve your goals. Let's dive into them. Step 1. Define a clear goal. Start by defining a clear goal. Write it down to make it real and give your mind a target to aim for. Step 2. Establish a clear plan. Knowing your goal isn't enough. Outline a step-by-step plan to reach it. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Step 3. Strengthen your self-confidence. Believe in yourself. Develop the mindset that you are capable of achieving your goals. Step 4. Build habits. Create systems and habits that make your journey easier and more automatic. Step 5. Evaluate your time. Plan your day wisely. There's enough time to enjoy life while accomplishing important tasks. Step 6. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Break tasks into manageable pieces for better focus and results. Step 7. Look after yourself. Your mental and physical well-being are crucial. Eat well, exercise, and maintain a positive mindset. Step 8. Hold yourself accountable. Be your own accountability partner. Identify triggers and deal with them proactively. Step 9. Consistency is key. Consistency is the secret sauce. Even if you stumble, get back up and stick to your plan. Follow these 9 steps to master self-discipline and take control of your life. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more motivational content at Growth Mindset 3.0. Thanks for watching.